We are going to go from chaos to cozy. If you're new here, I follow the Flylady baby steps. Flylady is a 31 baby step program where she implements baby steps to be able to clean her home. She was overwhelmed, she was stressed, she didn't know where to begin. Her first step, shining her sink. She pulled out all of her dishes, she put them on the floor, and she cleaned her sink. And today, that's what I'm doing. I'm stressed, I'm overwhelmed, and I didn't know where to begin. So I put all of my dishes on the floor. If my tripod will work to show you, I'm just gonna pick it up and show you. All the dishes are on the floor. We're gonna clean my sink. We're gonna move the book and the trash. Halloween party. Because this is what COVID-19 and quarantine is doing to me, with staying inside and being with my kids all day. I love them more than life itself, but my house is falling apart. I've been following Flylady for a little over 2 years now. And my house was getting there. It was pretty put together. But then all of a sudden quarantine happened and everyone was home and everyone was in each other's space. And all of a sudden I just couldn't keep up with housework. And I realized routines are so important. But I wasn't following through on any of them. And even though I was following Flylady, I wasn't following Flylady's baby steps and routines every single day. So I had been going back and forth with how I wanted to do my YouTube channel. And I had this YouTube channel, but I hadn't uploaded a video in a while. Flylady says good enough is good enough. This is going to be my YouTube channel for accountability. I am going to do these videos every day, and they're going to be me keeping to my routines so that they can motivate me to keep my house together, and they can also motivate you guys in the event that you need motivation to keep your house together too. Today's video, though, is going to be a little different. Today's not going to be about routines and all of that. Today is Mother's Day, and when my husband asked me what I wanted for Mother's Day, because we're in quarantine and I'm with my kids all the time, I said, I want to be by myself. I love my kids so much, but I want to be by myself. So he took all 3 kids out of the house for me. So I get to clean my house all by myself. And I figured what better time to create videos for you guys than today. So here we go. We're going to start with the first baby step of shining my sink. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, it is so disgusting. It's so gross. I don't think I cleaned my sink in a few days. Yeah, it's gross. I also strained some soup in there last night, and there's gunk and grime, and it's gross. But you know what? I'm probably not alone, and you guys probably need this motivation. So come along with me and let's do this together. And then we're going to go around my house, and I'll tell you, it's chaos, but that's why we're going to go from chaos to cozy. To share a piece of information about sippy cups and why I'm throwing away my son's sippy cup. despite the fact that I actually clean it regularly. I even clean this part, but I want to show you. It will build up mold inside this little area. How gross is that? And I even clean that area too. That is disgusting. I know that you can't really, it's not focusing correctly, but I don't know if I need to like do this to get it to focus. I don't know, but I'm sure you can see those black specks right there. That's black mold, you guys. Do not buy these sippy cups. These are awful. It's going in the trash. Never again giving that to my son. Gonna let that fill up and let that soak. We've got the bed made, and it's time has passed. My husband's going to be coming home with the kids, and so I'm just kind of trying to get as much done as possible right now. I am in the middle of sorting through all of the dirty laundry right now. I've got a bag full of laundry, and I thought I would take you guys through what the daily routine is supposed to be. We've got, for the morning routine, we have to be dressed to shoes, which is lace-up shoes. Very important for lace-up shoes, because that way we're not going to want to go and sit down and just relax for 5 minutes, kick off our shoes, because 5 minutes turns into 10 minutes, turns into 5 hours, and then before you know it, the whole day is gone and nothing is done. So, I'm sorry for anyone who doesn't come from the United States and has a different accent than me. I speak a little quickly. I apologize. Make bed. Check. Swish and swipe. Tidy the bathroom. We will do that. Shine your sink. I've done that. Load of laundry. Lol. LOL. We're going to do that. weekly home blessing items are also to dust, vacuum, mop. I like to vacuum and mop. No, I don't mop every day. I vacuum every day. I have to vacuum every day because if I don't vacuum every day, yeah, you can see it on this camera. If I don't vacuum every day, my floor looks like this. That's crumbs. This is play money. This looks like real money from a distance. And I find this all over the house. And I'm continuously like, oh my gosh, there's $5. It's not, it's fake. This is going to be a task that I have this week. If you see my window up there, this is my valance. My 2-year-old pulled it down and broke the curtain rod. I had to get a new one. I'm going to be putting that up this week. So that's going to be on my agenda. And you'll be seeing that in one of my videos. I'll be doing that on my list of things to do. I'm not sure which day that I'll do that. Maybe tomorrow. Not entirely sure. Clean clothes are on the bed. That's not it. That's not all of them. Lord help me. That's not all of them. But right now, we're going to go put a load of laundry on. So that's what's next. Okay. Let's go. I'm putting laundry detergent in, and then I'm putting the bag over there. I use along with my laundry detergent, I use the Lysol laundry sanitizer. It smells so good. And we're good. All right, that's running. And I will take one of these back up to my house and we will put this on the bed and I'll move on to the next step, which is the bathroom.